Disclaimer: the following video is a work of fiction and is solely for entertainment purposes. In addition, the tones in this video are valid EAS tones. Do not play these tones over the air as it will cause mass panic and confusion. Doing so will result in you receiving a $1 million fine, or hell, even jail time. You have nobody to blame but yourself.
What? Please, I got kids that are...
Don't care.
Gotcha! Just kidding.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northern Rankin County in central Mississippi, southwestern Madison County in central Mississippi, northwestern Scott County in central Mississippi until 7:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bentonia, or 4 miles northwest of Kearney Park, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and baseball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stokes at around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Kearney Park, Flora, Richton, Canton, Sharon, Avondale, Camden, Farmhaven, Sandhill, Eureka, West Leesburg, Ludlow, and Fortville. Take cover now. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Rankin, Madison, and Scott.